Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Marathon Mondays with Mal. It is a beautiful yet windy morning. Look at Jim Cogley walking behind me. There he is right there.
Sneaking up through the bushes.
Everybody, Jim Cogley and I are hanging out here at Motor Coach Country Club. How are you this morning?
It's hard duty. I'm not really very excited about it. Much rather be up in Oregon right now in the fog. But
yes,
geez, Mal, you know, when a guy's got a lot of dedication, you know, to his company, he does what he has to do.
Well, here we are, Jim, at Motor Coach Country Club, and we've got a coach to show everybody. So stick with us. We're going to show you a new consignment.
That's the good news today. We have a coach to show everybody.
Yes,
that's the good news.
And that's the thing, that there's not a lot of coaches available out there. But wanted to show you kind of the latest consignment for Marathon. And it is a windy morning here at Motor Coach in Indio.
Yeah, they're predicting higher winds starting 10 o'clock, so we're getting close to that. And but this is the time of year when we're going to get that once in a while, and every few days. But the rest of the time is so gorgeous that, you know, you put up with a little sand blowing once in a while.
Absolutely.
But, that does cause us to have to wash these rigs quite often.
All right. Well,
part of the game.
I know my sister and my kids and my niece Katie are watching this morning. I just saw them say that it's sunny in Eugene.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I love those kind of days.
So hello to my kids and my sister watching back home. And tell everybody what you and I are going to be doing today.
Well, we have another very difficult chore today. We've got to. Oh, the duck is quacking, so I'll turn that off here. We have to distribute a few cases of wine before an event that we have coming up on Wednesday, is it?
It is Wednesday.
Virtual wine on Wednesday for a lot of folks down here in the Outdoor Resorts Park, and a few spread in the other parks as well. So we're going to have quite another fun time. Yeah,
one of the cool events that we do down here is we get to meet a lot of people and talk about Marathon and talk about wine at the same time. Are these virtual wine events with J. Scott Winery, a local to Eugene, at least a local winery up there. So it's a thing that our marketing team puts on. So well, we put on with the help of our marketing team. So it's a fun thing, and it gets us to meet a lot of people down here in the desert.
It really does. It's really fun, and it's been helpful during these last couple of years when it's not quite as easy to socialize. Although it's lightening up here, and we're doing more and more events. There was a diesel pusher sighting last week.
That's right.
Over to where I at a lot warming party. So yeah, more and more things going on.
The diesel pushers are on tour.
You bet.
And you know, they're pushing out some diesel, and they're pushing out some good tunes.
That's right. We only tour from one park to the other, but that's all right. It's still touring.
Well, let's get to it. We're going to show you Coach 1221, which is a 2015 H3 double slide.
Yep.
New consignment. What do you think about this coach?
Beautiful coach.
It really is.
It really is. It's got some nice custom features inside and great layout. So let's let them take a look. All
right. Let's switch this around so they're not looking at us. How do we do this? We do this right here. There it is right there. What do you guys think of that? H3 double slide. There's some really nice custom features.
Yes.
About this floor plan that I was looking at this morning, and I really wanted to highlight some of those. Let me know what you guys think of that paint job. I kind of like how it draws up right into the awnings back there. Very nice. 2015 H3 double slide, 64,000 miles. And this is one of those coaches where if you're thinking about getting into a marathon, this would be a really great option. All right. You got a jackknifing sofa and a dinette over there. That's an L-shaped dinette. On the driver's side, curbside has the two recliners and what is not only an occasional table, but take a look at that. How about a wine cooler in your occasional table, Jim?
Not a bad way to go, especially what we're going to be doing.
Yeah, talk about virtual wine. You've got it right there. And then there is your galley right there. One of the things that I really like about Marathon Engineering and the floor plans is that you see how the natural light comes in underneath the cabinetry of the galley. You've got the option of being able to have that without a backsplash, so that it can have that backsplash with tile, or as in this coach, which is coach 1221, there is no backsplash. It brings in a lot more natural light into your galley right over the cabinetry. It's really pretty. Let me
Hey, Mel, check out this feature.
Yeah, let's take a look.
All aboard.
Oh, I love it. Let me go out here. Let me go out here and hit it again, Jim. That'll change your day. That's what I'm talking about. For those of you who don't know, you need to be notified. That is what's going to wake up the guy in front of you. Beautiful floor. You've got tile and hardwoods. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer here.
Yeah, nice keys in the.
Yeah, and the keys in the tiles.
Yeah.
Real nice.
Like a travertine, maybe. Beautiful.
Get this back online here. There we go. All right. On your curbside, you've got the Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer below. Look at the indirect lighting, though, in the refrigerator inserts. Isn't that nice? Really classy. I really like that. And then right across from it, this is one of the real custom things about this floor plan that I like. Look at that. Beautiful.
Fancy espresso machine.
Fancy espresso machine.
Yeah.
And good storage right underneath it. Yeah, Larry Fisk just commented, beautiful indeed. Right past that, you've got your matching grinder with more storage. That's nice. That's the one thing, Jim, about this floor plan. Lots of storage.
Yeah, really is.
Lots of storage. And we're going to show you that in just a second. I'm going to open this shower door. Deep shower here. This is one of the largest showers I've seen in an H3 from this era, because it opens up to a much wider, I don't know if you can see that on camera, you guys, but it opens up to a much wider opening here.
Yeah, I like all the soak caddies and the
yeah, these built-ins are nice.
The footrest placed
in here. Good tile work in here. It's a really nice coach. All right. Here's the water closet. Very nice. Yeah, now take a look at this. Right across from the... This is a very large wardrobe closet. So you got two here and then a third over here with a hanger bar. So you've got about 5.5 feet of hanger bar, drawers below. So very large closet wardrobe. Shirt closet right here. Oh, it's not a shirt closet. That's right. They've got the drawers in here, or the shelving. This is very cool.
Yeah, that could be if a person wanted to put...
Yeah, you're right. There. You could take out those
drawers.
Those are large, deep drawers right there, too. And you got two of them there.
Right.
Then you got good-sized nightstands.
Electric bed.
Electric bed that'll come all the way up.
Yeah, I think it's a custom bed, Mal, because it's longer probably than our standard.
Okay.
For someone tall.
pull that up a little bit. That's very nice.
There's a nice vanity in the back.
Yeah, it really is.
Large. Looks like what, a 60.
Yeah, it's got a
TV
it's got a good sized TV, but a lot of natural light. And then you've got full washer dryer. So you've got a lot of storage in the hallway with that huge closet wardrobe, and then you've got the 2 washer dryers, lots of drawers. It's a really good setup. And then you've got the, I like how this was done. Whoa, that's a good counter space too.
AV rack.
AV rack right here. Give us a good shot of that. It's a really nice coach. Oh, there's more closet space for shirts.
That's unique.
Yeah, it is. It's kind of a nice way to hang shirts. Very cool.
Very clean ceiling.
Yeah, it is. This is a really nice coach. The colors are good. It's neutral, nothing gaudy about it. Very, very nice. Samsung smart TVs throughout. You've got 4 of them. One in the bedroom, one right there that you see. In the slide out up here, you've got a large one over the cockpit. And then, of course, you've got one outside in the entertainment bay. Taking a look at the cockpit, you already know about that train horn.
Right.
But really nice.
6-position transmission retarder.
Yeah, that's right.
This is really nice upgrade. Computerized leveling. All the nice smart wheel, all the nice stuff that came out.
Yeah, Jim Torrance just pointed out this is one of the nicer floor plans he's seen in an H3 of this era. And I agree. I agree. And, you know, just as a refresher to all of you, yeah, Larry Fisk said thanks to Jim and the Diesel Pushers who crushed it. And big thanks to you guys sharing your talents. That's from Larry Fisk.
Thanks,
That's really
Larry.
nice. 3 drawers right there. Yeah, this is a really nice coach. Look at all that natural light that comes in. So listen, if you're looking for a coach, I want you to reach out to us. This is down in Indio, down in the desert. Jim C, Jimc at marathoncoach.com or malw, M-A-L-W at marathoncoach.com. This coach is not going to last. This is the first time we've put some publicity behind it, and it's going out there. So if you're looking to trade in, if you're looking to get into a marathon, this is a great opportunity to get a coach. 64 to 65,000 miles, Jim?
That's
I
correct.
think that's about right. Just past the break-in point of the Prevost chassis. Very nice coach. Boy, I like that espresso machine over there. It's kind of a cool piece. When you first walk in, you can see that. It's all polished up.
Yeah, it's plumbed in too. So
Oh, is it really?
we might need to bring in a specialist to teach us how to use that.
We need a barista.
Right.
Where's Abigail when we need her, right?
Right.
Good looking paint job. Very, very nice. All right, Jim, what do you think?
Well, we're gonna watch the wind here today, but we got blue skies now.
Yeah, blue skies. The man who usually knows what's going on. The man says that there could be some rain coming the next couple of days.
I can see some clouds. But
Yeah.
we're looking good so far.
Absolutely.
If it doesn't get any more windy than this, we got it made, right?
My man Ron Brown hanging out in British Columbia. Very cool. Look at this. There we go. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for hanging out with me and Jim this morning. It's our honor to show you Coach 1221. If you're looking to get into a marathon, reach out to us. And Abigail, the barista, is here to save the day. That's what she says. Absolutely.
Come on down.
That's right. And a big thanks to John, our videographer back at the mothership, watching over us, keeping us in line. And the rumor is Pete Sutton, head of marketing, is down here.
I believe so.
Yeah, so virtual wine this week with the marathon guys. Myself and Jim are honored to be involved in that, and honored to show you Coach 1221. Let us know what's going on, and be yourself and do good things. That's what we're all trying to do, and take care of one another, be safe, and we'll see you next Monday.